It was not easily done, and so we intend to protect it and prevent any so-called review, another word for cancellation.
Yamma Kufa 250 billion, and was what the 4 billion are you free SHS? They are coming in our dinner, new family and friends.
Ubasijinaye, Ubatuaba, but Botaya Ujnasuano, anything. And then me, Michael, Nana, Admako say, Mike, Yenshia, on Kumawut TV, a Juada, Ekosi Efiada, 4 to 6 p.m. Ibenyamre, yes, in Kunya, Akagana, yes, Silupi, Amomano, and Eda Ukriada, a very special day, Trinapo Yangopon, Ede Adom Yen, Yatrasi, Yamawa Ajo, na Yamwa Kwaba, and from Silupi on Kumawut television, and Yatrasi Visa Biakopulo no say bono, Yamre, na Yedi or my Ghana, and home Encoma, you mine, Niasha Kwampo, man, Faswa, a bit to me, a 2 empona, and some of the said we are making a Dawson, Editi, na Edi, a can, and Yamre. Now they will see a CDP no, it means a CDP at the amount. We are live on Facebook, Kumawut TV. We are coming so quiet. All like I know I say. Now Unia no so no, it means NB Aresanso and on YouTube, Kumawut TV, Kumawut Radio Online. So it means at the Enka Eho. Na afi what me at the Akoso my Ghana. Lady Oko USA Dundo ya for Tegare. Kunu mo ya dey papa. The Republican leader Donald Trump, Nyagro, Joe Biden, Nyagro kura race no say this ikono. Over 4 hours as at the time I need your best studio there. Now be 4 hours no na NMC kakra. Results no nyade say baby 238 and Joe Biden enya and half so no Donald Trump and so enya 213. The baby no enya 270. The U.S. president, I need to so about all call for the second term or pre senator so about and I have to so about all pre to Benya Donald Trump. Donald Trump say, I don't know say we are no inti or the court Supreme Court na county no kra no because never no omunyai kra. We am na ye di ho enkomo His Excellency Ghana's president. Nada Akufo-Addo so ewo enai aprobomu ewo Asante Mantemu na wanpani be pii mu no famuna ena ordinary atia sabri ofi famuna omo ekọ new edibi ase na His Excellency ameki a certain revelations amafo kasa entokwa no mu ya yedi ana wanpani se DC ya famuna nananom so onya ade oba 2021 obetu no the first one. Secondly one penny say chairman or NDP chairman of from na me am of Sinti ono so no omana humoden said the one who guard the over mass do from na no some amount for from na to obama no one penny a ono one penny be ha me atu NDP chairman a or from na ene mo eden pa we have na yakọ apobonum yesatwani di akiri na afi details a ekoso timi edi amaye enso edi from company 4 days apobo a wahye emu na His Excellency former president John Dramani Mahama enso egusu a odi se bi etudwa o se dumso no onu na hye ba ne penso odi tu obetoe wo ye ya madumso no ende early January 2016 ena dumso no etwemu enti wonum de enti aga na fa beka se dumso no MB4 ena etimi eso anon yanko omano so na yanko yobampani na poba obono yanko eje hu cheru akra enfiri anafi kokoto oyeneba otemenka waje ni ba Kumawut TV sinipezo aji to dominya na ma bibia bakode yemi adumi ho ye pa eda rade ase mo sha pa bona ase wa fa hene na ehene ena sabre mo du adaruma eda ase empani to akonya banya ye kura ne kudasie nke da Ghana man pani na Adam Akufo-Addo o share na ya to ba no te bechin na enna o do e ko be ba to e school na e ko ye ya fa to e free for me na for me no Ghana man pani e ko ye Adam Akufo-Addo district hospital and room 18 Odiano a 120 bed capacity ya no now I want to Okay. Adafi yenase na my information be fa na yentimi enyi emfa enti pa nyimre. So ana bon to ana e ho yo so e ba fa my pa. Awusa reporter na moten nka do wampani achi ene nan na wampani dia si wa obo apro no se nyame adom chena wampani ebe kwakoye ade kese ba ko a ebe boa ma santeman atumi apagya ni na no eye Buankra Inland Port nyame adom chena His Excellency any opimiso tun for say to so mienu ebe ko na mo de aso akoba fom na afi no atumi ahya ase na ensam no wo fom na no enya agro His Excellency say formula DC na no so mo no modern omo to abanama ni bi wa 2021 DC no on sa neman kofie oyinadi secondly MVP chama formula Mugabe ora kwasinti wan penese papa no said the amount for AC kanwa 7 na say oba party ni mo ho na papa mu na ade ho no enso mfata omo to manu a ono a se president obehwe aba papa no yetumi eyina na to akonya afi na dia asudi aba formula benyamre na edi nkomo the first day one wan peni aprobo a okono benyamre na afi no yetumi edi ho enkomo na manugusu a me ka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ensemo a ode atudwa o say men's good samote say o say obi say oba obetua musika ndama mo a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say nyonokre on kan hwe on so hokora daye sameja mfi na ka na asemo a on na ka no a de on kai na mum dum so on na so bo ye on na so bo dum so no ntimu a mo say on na so bo ye no mo prove mra na wampani yusu dada yusu time bi e de ama matenamidu a hanwoshi o say matenamidu as o de hu na emene kase so we ye Japan royalties who said we are why should you jump in with Airbus scandal na oni matenamidu no evidence bi a o so otumi a on van ko court ana on friend on to na no e benyamre na yedi eno so ho komo e wo fia onu say nei small scale miners at 1,200 pickups 1,200 pickups and now omde akoma NDC John Dramani Mahama so onye fanya campaign na oba omokwa momatimi atu afuma gudie ewo my Ghana wonso ensem ewo ha benyamre na yetumi edi fierce chese ngo so de benyamre na yetumi edi nei e maame Elizabeth Ajumai na waka wo ma affairs on na monte so basare no Free High School aboa omo amene omina no omatimi akọ school oyi no free one so a honorable Bichum Deputy Education Minister Enso Datudwa se Ghana fo ni mo to abade ma John Dramani Mahama na NDC a double track no omaka so mbetwa se kimu a free searchers ni na be collapse ni nyina e be collapse timi emfa tumi no emfa ense NDC ensem eno so ehon komo ewo ahase na edu bia na bia yesere akra Ghana's Defense Minister Dominic Nitu enso edi biaba I say NDC for no mano memano mo mano amo MPP mo fa mo ko bo NDC for memano na mo no mo nyem on mo ndi to na mo fa mo mra MPP mo mo na entimi emwa we no de ebi wa na edi bia betwam na ayasam se but then some doors ebi nyamre na yetimi edi ho nkomo ewufia ene visit His Excellency aproba obo ebi na ayade se beto about 33 days I don't see a post for Bambo 4 and the IGP at the animu ama o man central for shemu ye mo eka ene se afia bato no a post for na soja for a etuo ese wo kon ho e na o bebo ban na mo hwa masumdue etumi aban to bia no o ye Ghana ni a mo asumnyo se ba koto aba na asumdue mo ha bia no entumi emba eno so ehon komo e wo ha ebenyamre na yetumi adi na ma temi de se nyame ado no ba ye to aba ni wi a 2021 obesha ase na wo nu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the question man for busa say so be president a obinu no ana se we wini a e na obe grill no eno so e hon komo e wo aha ai benyamre na yetumi edi mame na me homra e ba some doors benyamre na afi yetumi esinupi na enei medical ene MC a owo bekwai asante bekwai owura chebafo etimi atenase ne edi nkomo asante bekwai woni be say ho she pa you know and it's Ghana's first deputy speaker of parliament Joseph Osewusu onya contest bi contest no anya aguru mo dem pa ne MC ofia ha ebenyamre na etumi ene no edi nkomo ahwe be kwai said de niema esi kwa afi wi a na ye ne amanyefo aka no so atenase na ye di enkomo ensam no de doso o ma bani wotumi se oka se ye to baba ne ma no wi a e ma ne biwa obehwe ama chama bi a otena konya so ya tunas konya ana if such messages begin to come out, what will be the implication going forward in the 2020 December 7th elections? Wo se ne usi gina ya why na ba no obeto ama no. We are live on Facebook, YouTube, and afi Kumawood Radio Online. Omodi ana ereche onso na etimi etie ne hwe de ekoso. Me de Michael Nana Aduma consider enko emfa ema God's way casket se omoso yasene. Adaka de unya yenko ana se opadaka papa to a de efe bra na ontimi ma bi sanso ena yinu fi wa memenda we ya de be ya ena time haba mixture awoso season 2 no eba so eye Kumase Atenga Junction Kumawood TV ya premises ya awospap ona eba so nti uju wudi so yo ba utimi treke a bomode a nebra na ebe chire bobre na e qualify nko ade a chede ndie buburu ya yentwe hono asese eba ebenyamre na yetimi asinsem no epi.
Yes, Kumawood Training Institute and Sano Juma ahimfie asaka omo ho bieu ose fa na miensa pe fa be fiansa no Juma na fa bo bra mentra ho na da bia no enkosre sika e wo bi ho wankasa ye boss ye wankasa waduma na wo so ye mfra boss ni bi enu ti na Kumawood TV 4 edwene Ghana fo ho eno makofa Kumawood Training Institute Ediaba Sebra na besuansa no Juma na emwa yede enam yensen esuansa no Juma bi ti se bees making shampoo conditioner hair pomade with this side the akuafo adi spray omo no bae so no bra na besua na emwa CCTV and multi-TV installations bioenzymes 3D epoxy biofield digester the friend of flash ya na ahye no sansa no Juma we nyina yede enam yensa pe ana de asi ho a yade ebe kyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina
utifie bi a wadwe bɛ yɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ den kra na matimi di nam ya zapɛ asua saa ansanodwuma we nyina mame kyerɛw ɔmo ba last month no ɔmo bɛdi adanse sɛ ampa ɔmo timi di nam ya zapɛ asua ansanodwuma bebree anu nti ba ne nya sɛ wontimi nsua
anu nti yase fa 300 Ghana cedis pɛ na fa bɛsua saa ansanodwuma we nyina ɛba so on the 26th 27th and 28th November Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and nam yansa pe and ye dear si wa ye de sua sans and duma we nyina so frɛkyerɛ na eba baby obeda eye free and to we there catch the wunia na wunia nso catch the nua say Kumawood Training Institute for there omo kyerɛ wade a say be work school do so wo go school do wo betimi asua bi and to baby a wo bia any baby a wo free bia bomode ase obafaka no oba Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction baby a Kumawood TV 4 no ehwa pepepe fresa number na that screen so no 0244 294066 0244 294066 Kumawood Training Institute wase ensanodwuma ahimfie beye butu
na amana da fumo bibira kwa ba sama gemre na samre mo hemi kienje ha ba ne de time da ba mesha de di abega maso na mare fever na ha wonu ato untumi enidi da na ma hono aye mre onu eye wonyono a o made na no time da ba mesha ebi boru address da ba so pharmacy show bia kwa o say o be time da ba mesha na wonya bia ebitimi aboa ye o kienje ha ba capsules dura onu no ma aboa ma kwamo ano enya hodin esonko ne send da na aboa mo tumi edi yare eso na wonya KNG haba kasoso bi ene time haba me shan na wokabo na no ma dia no kwasen sene sewani na ensese e ka kiro the mekan fo sai nu emi nu edi amaw so bi bara mo nwa transfer haba to pharmacy shop e bi e tun do ya kwa so pe KNG haba kasoso ene time haba me sha so for number 0244 417 669 e be that phone na the phone na so munya da je na mo hwe me din the Dr. Kennedy Unso Agyeman me do bi biara as.
Where the party day today? Darling, hey mama, hey I ever say.
Okay, everybody, I say TIME Time Herbal Awoso Season 2 audition no assign abadiewo when your band na say what the 18 years ekwa who qualify say Awoso audition obetimi abadie the here say wo sie na obesheki na watwake na wawoso na ye fe eno ko ana ehia so your band na say obetimi ye we nyina me pa chow enhwe ba bia poni ejire Kumawood TV na bra pick forms no share forms no free yeah no capra bakra Time Herbal Awoso Season 2 audition the kind of fie we Kumawood TV premises wa ahojo Atenga Junction Awards Park Kumase and a first audition no yade eba be so nyame ya adoma on the 7th November 2020 busumi ayesim ye ne da so enson and ayehase bomodi after wo so bebe die betwa de for no so free obi afiba no betwa bi jomade a chede bebre wo di obedi kan no yade ni ko Dubai empo se wo pe Dubai no na se wo pese ye ni sika de mawa ne ka sika ni na bom ne dia ma na se dia do be na na dia ye so de beto car na dia to so de be si fio so de be ya dibo so de be ya bia na dia ye dia beto so mi no ye man 5,000 Ghana cedis and dia beto so mi ansa no ono so ye man 3,000 Ghana cedis and achede bebre and we no na pepe 4 p.m. na contestants ni na are ready. When I TIME Time Herbal Awoso Season 2. For number na that screen is no. Ne praise is here 0243 174870 0243 174870. Or say got the Time Awoso. Nobody has to say shake your waist. Time Herbal Awoso. Shake your waist. Awoso Season 2. Ebeye butu. Sponsored by TIME Time Herbal.
Party day today. Hey mama, hey I ever say.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could debrail. Musa Dawo complaining with Sissini Cocoa. Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. You could debrail. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. A yoko ni Sicilia redrook a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma Mejina brand. Na yemme.
Ah! Na Edusa ya was said me bravo we.
Sudi, me come on mama adwamwa.
Hey! What does ye aye chuma?
It's a living testimony. Kona kwa judi.
What can keep
Edusa brain. Obie timinumbi. I just a paying for. One woman for down for. Any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ashisha sa adwade enkrato yi mu. Agye atum se eye.
Well, all here. Obusia say you free mu. Why the den it is slower. Me na fa kokko wi na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ma ye den ma me ji wo de. Me na na wo yere. Na mfa nkonkoye tikuma na ma no why.
Obusia yenko nukumase.
Munko nukumase.
Martin Luther.
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, obra kwantu ya wo. Semina na ma yan ka twene ni ahwedan yo. Ne busu ya fani asuma me. Semina me pada. E wo kuma se afamara. Na me so ya chini. Ye nya da kai.
Nansa mu na moda so a wo hia me de woni problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na makobere ntwi wo to na nanom ansia do ne eje yi ne bo me so e wo abere de me ni kapre odu obi na kire me go straight casket shop e wo kuma se labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ne me yes kan hye hye yo wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me fa
di so abi so yese me be ambulance na me sam pɛ de be da no enka ambulance any de be da ho omo ye ambulance service into any problem kra any nyina ye here ni say ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say kuma stay by plan no ye kwena mo kwatira wo some of Ghostway Castle shops here ye wona come be to say the movie nyina Ghostway Castle shop you will kuma say in front of New Town ye the labor office na ben Ghostway Castle shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Emmanuel Sadu Hobio, December 7th, Ghana Sankotuaba. Since 1992, I NDC and NPP. And somebody will hold Nippon Sinupi.
Nyan to about NDC are buying your mind. So what you say, NPP, your manifesto, how much I say at the year, Juban.
Abuya. And for the time. The youth, the what? And that is the most single, one of the most single youth policies Nelson Mahama brought 2009 to 2012. No. Hey, that's your mind. It's this woman. What means that cassette? Youth in Abuya. Exactly. Hey, and this is Babubia, that's in it.
It was not easily done, and so we intend to protect it and prevent any so-called review, another word for cancellation.
Yamma Kufa 250 billion, and was what the 4 billion per are free SHS. They are coming in our dinner, new family and friend.
Ubasijinaye, Ubatuaba, but Botaya Ujnasuano, and say. And then me, Michael, Nana, Admakon say, Mike, Yenshia, on Kumawood TV, a Juada, Ekosi Efiada, 4 to 6 p.m. Ibenyamre, yes, in Kunya, I am on your sem, Akagana sem, yes, Sinupi, I'm on mine etvi ejina. Sinupi, no mine peja, Sinupi, no mine in Koso.
Kumawood TV aba, Amansane, Yena Yedi. Kumawood TV aba, Amansane, Yena Yedi. Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu.
Yes, I'm Akwaba, FMA Sinupi on Kumawood Television. Yebuso, ye did come on anymore, sir, yes, Eveka Honorable Chief Bafo, be quiet, MCN, Chavajani, and Afino, yet to me, and no actually, and come up, quite constituency. Ura Opoku, Ebusay, Nana, member of parliament, and Afi, Joseph, or say Usu, Juwise, Ebitu, no, no, Betu, no, now, Aqua, so, or Prime Minister, Elusia. Ena nyame adom oye se da bi amanfo e wo be kwai maburu ne pene pa nti obekọ independent ena otimi ewini ye minim se e payback time there nei lawyer amufa enso se well when your opportunity ne kura entimi and contest the incumbent member of parliament for Bekwai constituency honorable Joseph Osei Usu entino okọ as quantum kura na ono so akọ with me at the seat no a eya akọ say dynamics bi eya ba ho se wo no the independent na kọ dey a ene me so with the independent so no etumi e dey aba ehon komo ebenyamre na MC betenase a yetumi ene no edi enya hanko ene NDC for say over 17 independent candidates omo ejina omo ye NDC for a omo ate omo so be kwa kontankore e dey tia party no omo so no omo nyina omo eyomodi including former member of parliament for Garu omina no omo etimi eyomo edi ebenyamre na yetimi edi enkomo enso ewo eho na mibusa o Ghana ni awo hwe me na utie me enei dumso onyidi se why na so wo ye enei aye we se na me ye since when enawo who say Canadian Modundum a chat a maybe a brebe na who sadi for them Senebra na Binyamre and can from remember be a war free. You might be watching me from the northern region, eastern region, northeast region, Savannah region, Bono region. Anywhere that you are watching me from. Time of bang and now would you say doom so what do you know? A try na brebe ya. Who say doom so no a brebe na now there na o experience view. For them Senebra, mami wa be awo watching me live on Facebook and after YouTube also no drop comments in that na Inyamre Nkenkan Emfa Emma Dumso John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, leader of the NDC, former president, say on a solve here. The NPP also say is a debut. Ye buy no, and a solve here. Asemo. Inyamre na ye di ho enkomo na ye video embra obra honorable Chei Bafo hardworking MC Bekwai obetenasi papa from a distance, but a nyagro, Boduma pa. None of what is why I see because I'm on for ya. Oh, mobile versus on my side. You remember, now it's in Yadin. Come on, young boy is excellent. John Dramani Mahama, on honor Samoa, Waka, at the Alpha, Samoa, and Mobosui, Yakuti Akra, and Fa Emra.
Amidu goes and presents a Japa shares, a Japa investigation. And I thought he was man enough. You go, they say, investigate Japan. Present a report in Japan. If you've investigated Airbus, present a report on Airbus. But in the Japan report, you know that it's going to be damning of this government. You go and put one paragraph there about Airbus. Nobody asked you about Airbus. If you were man enough, present a Japan and do a report on Airbus separate, and then I'll come as a man and answer you on Airbus. If you think that I'm indicted on Airbus, accuse me directly. But because he's a coward and they knew that a Japan was going to be discussed today, because he was a coward and he knew that they were going to discuss a Japan, so put a paragraph on Airbus to equalize the discussion. I mean, what stupidity is this? You are investigating a Japan. Present a report in a Japan. Why? Because you know a Japan is going to be discussed. You've indicted the president's cousin as finance minister, and you are afraid that you are presenting only a report on a Japan. So in the Japan report, put some other reports that balance the equation. I thought he was man enough. Come out. The point is, you say I'm the leader of a political party. I say, if you have a legal basis for investigating me, go ahead and investigate me. If you have a legal basis for investigating me, go ahead and investigate me. There's been a DPA, a deferred protection agreement. You are not a party to it. You don't know who are involved in it. They've identified some people in it. You don't have an authenticated agreement from SFO or from whoever is involved in it. And you say, I surmise that government official one is so. Somebody is so. On what legal basis are you proceeding? Amidu goes and presents a Japan shares, a Japan investigation. And I thought he was man enough. You go, they say, investigate a Japan. Present a report in a Japan. If you've investigated Airbus, present a report on Airbus. But in the...
Yes, Kumawood Training Institute and San Juma Ahimfie Asaka Omohubio. Or say, fa nami and sape, Papa San Juma, never bra. Meant na de biano and Kosesika, I will be hot. One kasa ye boss, ye one kasa waduma, now we'll see a floor boss nibi. And nothing a Kumawood TV for, Edwin Ghana for home, and a mark of Kumawood Training Institute, Ediaba, Sebra. na besua nsa no dwuma na emmoa yɛde ɛnam yɛnsɛn esua nsa no dwuma bi te sɛ bees making, shampoo, conditioner, hair pomade, weedicide, de akuafo ade spray omo no bae so no bra na besua na emmoa CCTV and multi-TV installations, bioenzymes, 3D epoxy, biofield digester, the friend of flash ya na ahye no sansa no dwuma we nyina yɛde ɛnam yɛnsa pɛ ɛna de asi hɔ a yɛde ɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina
wotifie ebi a wadwe bɛyɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ den kra na matimi de nam yɛnsa pɛ asua saa nsanodwuma we nyina ma menkyerɛw ɔmo a moba last month no ɔmo bɛdi adanseɛ sɛ ampa ɔmo timi de nam yɛnsa pɛ asua nsanodwuma bebree ɛno nti ba ne nyɛ sɛ wontimi nsua
ɛno nti yɛse fa
Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedie Kumawu TV aba Amansane.
Right, yes, I'm Wakwaba. FMS Sinupi on Kumawood Television. Yenchia Asante Bakwaifo. Titu mwa mwana ya mutahe pa no. Mwana yana mupe fie semotie pa. Se Mike, yesi dia nekoso ewo Asante Bakwai. Adie no tana name anase efiri ho. Se bebre ni the hard working MC viewing and watching him from a distance. Honorable Chei Bafo. Honorable Ajakunya. Honorable Akwaba.
Yeah, no.
Honorable Biabakode.
Onyakopo to me nteni maye.
Na party ene Bakwai ma ho te say.
Onyakopo do party imuboko. Bakwai ma me free ho ababe 30-40 minutes ago na boni. What we should say.
Bakwai politics at the says here.
Bakwai politics. Very good. When he be any honor, but to a bano, ama nanado, overwhelmingly. So we just platform say you try to money boom 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 boom. You just form 4 times boom 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 boom.
When I say when Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah, trauma. Joe says our humble, ever solicitous, that's the for parliament. So boom.
Now grounds your money there.
Very good.
Oh sir.
Very good.
You have to tell how they here.
You look
behind there. Okay, so much. Okay,
that's fine. You look at it from afar. You look from afar. Now if you say, before I say they all quite 10. I say people who be a cat a buna 10. I say they all quite a 10.
Okay.
The whole band so 10. The whole T a 10 through do.
Okay.
Meaning that you discuss it will be a or Baba Central one. Or better, I kind of differently.
Okay.
You will all consume kind of differently. That's why we just on. You are there at the helm of affairs. You be at a position to tell them the reality of the all quite 10 or bad 10. You would see a 10 to do.
But one would Tim Pan. Who say amount for a home from
we and they are never ever fed up with the never. Being fed up with being fed up with of course, you're MPs there. Okay. That's the inception of this. I don't want to make an unhealthy comparison, but to tell the truth and nothing but the obvious truth, we've been our from credit services.
Yes,
I'm telling you.
Oh
yes, separate me. I entered into. I started doubling in politics since 1982. When it was done called the Bubuzia Club.
82.
Right, 87. Sorry,
87.
87.
I'm having only 2 years.
How old were you 2 years?
No,
oh, that's fine. That's fine. You know now, it's since that time. Okay, it's a double in politics. I check. Let me name piece of my back. Okay. My wall at the 4. I'm not at the back burner. I'm always at the 4. I am always at the 4. It's may catch the cost of one. I don't want to make an unhealthy comparison.
Okay.
But we still shall pay for credit.
And I'm not being made in command. First Deputy Speaker of Parliament there. The position was so.
Right.
Me also never be interview with Dinko Mobe 1 hour.
That's fine.
We say when you Speaker Crow Bedi. So and the Nyamina and the Sikhine. The Emre do what? Not the quiet for a tea and say so Muslim and Mubetuno. On your hero. Not anyone want to grab.
Well, everyone who knows the Bible says independent cracker say
when you do one say we have papa p. All right. You might not get 100% of the people there or the eligible voters say we good we. And so therefore, you're close to you're 79,000.
Okay.
You will not get all of the 79,000 100% voting for you somewhere. You get 20 but what you say. But the majority of the people, what are they saying about you? Majority no air cast very good. Yes, it depends on what say on the 20. Why not? Say why? Unu no best let's say 20 or 10. Na ko say one kasa will host you. You say we papa na so your boy. You get 1 or 2 dissenting votes. Does it mean say number 1? It doesn't necessarily.
Nti omo hwe wa mono ne a omo free be kwai omo hwe Ghana ba bia omo wo be kum free be kwai to be kwai no omunya race mu say first deputy speaker December 7th the seat no be sa retain.
Certainly, that's the word. Certainly, you answer your question. Certainly.
Ehi adwumaden ana
adwumaden as in what say
campaign no because so me communication director e din koma o say Mike me o campaign no be for why cliff me o campaign no o be for honorable what you say as a campaign afi dey mama mo so pa is it because of the independent candidate?
Well minimally so but say obi ba ha ho waka say wo junction ha but had na onipa ko harmo from here to let's say more than 100 no and what for me you tell that person it's far about 3 kilometers away, even though it might be 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometers, that's 3 kilometers away. And but some say 3 kilometers away onipa ko say and what enti ahokeka and temper we be kono e was so because what you call book way up be relaxed. But what you say in order say we will not leave any stone unturned because I did not it's difficult. All right, so okay because say home wa na we say haya na say you be 3 or 4 kilometers. You understand my point? Yeah, we are not living in no stone unturned. No complacency whatsoever. Just speaker a free say shall say vigorously. He has never stayed in Accra. For weekends, no. Opa, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, then he goes on early morning, he goes to Parliament.
We MC. So my while statistics are we say December 7th. Make me a percentage say.
Oh, be quiet.
I will be quiet for the parliamentary. Your wise.
7%.
Honorable, we are live on TV, national TV, your Facebook, your YouTube, and all that social handles.
We're going to get about 80%. We could get 80%.
Wow.
Yes. 80% we could.
Master, who amount for about
well, lady in Mohusa.
Okay.
Lady Mohusa. No, in Mohusa.
Okay. I was here, municipal chief executive, or Asante Bakwai, Honorable Che Bafo. And I didn't come. I say, oh yeah, the quiet this and now now. You want to na no at least 80% and over. Yeah. Ede ama Honorable Joseph was say Ewusu as a member of parliament or be quiet as at one so. For the channel bra or questions no faba nyamre en kenkan emfa ema Honorable ha ontimi enya no. Honorable afi ya hwe okọ assembly ho. Na what is saying or be quiet. Ofa free he finally be drew afi we are now odi in terms of education, health, infrastructure, roads. You say be kwa juma be pa no me be kwa
omi farmers
we kwa for ona bo angasa wo fu kakra o wasa kakra ana mo bana mo kana sa na bi da mo angasa so kwa no mo so be kwa kakra na
kwa for
oh okay
we kwa sa me ko university at training college at university as
what did that mean?
What's the teacher?
Oh, okay.
So Joseph Secondary School.
Teacher for politicians. They are now.
I was the teacher.
Okay.
I was Joseph Secondary School.
Okay.
I was check on the bro from Gakan.
Oh wow. Then we are more far be quiet, no be far.
Right. You be quiet. Because in Nipa you deal a cheap person. Why you be there? Then you fail. Okay. Because I buy back on so be why you be there. But you leave a place better than you met it.
Yeah.
You know, in terms of school, yes, this is school. right? School. For talk of KG blocks having, talk of this with the classroom blocks, and talk of hospitals, health.
Okay.
The chip compounds. As you see, I say, there will be 3 of chip compounds in a week or 2. You can call a commission.
I don't know your hospital, well, no.
A bill more compound, compound.
Okay, and
they will be
I was more share. I will say, and on a boy, hospital, there you should be. I'm out much me. Yeah, we are quite one of the rules.
But quite one of the rules. Yes.
Okay.
And see, there will be a whole talk of economy, market. There will through my MP. Maybe from through my MP. Maybe fee through my MP.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. May I say you be share na what me access near man said here. Where are they? Okay, man for yes,
toilet facility. I think it's one of the first toilet facilities.
Toilet facility.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Toilet. Yeah,
wow. Mobile. Okay. And 1 million per constituency.
No. We have not gone there yet. Any 1 million constituency. IPEP, infrastructure for poverty elimination program. And we have 3 institutional toilets. Maybe Opo Memorial Secondary School.
Okay.
Yes, Sibako Wesley High Secondary teachers work. Opo Memorial Kofu.
Okay.
Wesley High will be quiet. And about the Yasamai and also Pano. 3. And he work in 3 institutional toilets.
Okay.
Toilets in Bako, sorry, water. Bako Kokobin. Okay. Bako Bibi Omem. 3 towns very close to it. Bibi Omem Papa so and like cancer. You Bako Honum. And I'll call Pardon Swat Bako Honum.
Okay.
Yeah. We KG block. And what I think it's Abodom KG.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what you see.
Okay. Mobile number says and answer now.
No, you buy it, but let me see.
The any
yeah. Yeah. It will say we Bako Abodom, Bako Kuku, Bako Bako Senfi.
Okay.
Sibako Pedine. Sibako so just crew.
KG
right. This type of KG is Sibako just.
Omasha say Kumana say bia
Omukum. Kukufuni Abodom de Omukum.
Okay.
Kukufuni Abodom de Omukum. Senfi first of their COVID. They are commission Omukum.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mobile na KG is no nice na obekwa na.
When this and now madam mu de omu so if na ebi na ye ensoni.
Okay. But we no free we no so ye no.
We be quite new be quite hospital. Saturday coming. Government the president ebe ba the commission. We no go to Saturday.
No na ese man so bi aba ho no. Say Ghana Health Service say omo operating new and old no mum. And almost say we no ye dey anya ndisi for dem so ase ni na.
Well, this is the one.
We no ndisi for dem so ase.
Omo shase. By never be do this thing.
Mo wie.
Mr. Saturday Ochinechi ya president eba ababeko innovate.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Ura mo ade dey na ho.
Wow, a 126 bed capacity.
126 bed.
Yeah. Ko ho no a theaters wo ho. Theaters wo mortuary wo ho. OPD wo ho. You be visitors, will be able to OPD, maybe I do patient economy. Obeda, it be 4 beds, it be 3 beds.
Okay.
Our will be like a hall. You have washrooms and other things. Very nice facility.
Oh, be quiet. Be quiet. Hospital na amount for
This is a Abodom.
Abodom dey no. Mama hospital na so akra ma me answer. As a hospital na man for casa by on your own.
No.
Mori.
Anyway.
Amenda. One penny a commission.
You come there, you see it yourself.
Wow.
Baby said, all quiet time, all bad time. You would see a through. You would be able to say, oh, but hospital say, you know, that person will carry that erroneous impression away.
Yeah.
Another person also be so. Might also carry that erroneous impression away. But what would just at the hem of a person, every person could attire it through. It's about 50%, no, 50%.
Okay.
45-50%, 45%.
yɛn ko mo kakra hospital no what best and a bit in the abo man for mo be kwai
so I sabi an dey say this so ho a be free the kwai akwa ko see who's a highway no in the event of any unfortunate eventuality we be me about the facilities there and be kwai you 116,000 villages
116,000
towns and villages
towns okay
the municipal now there was 6 hospitals. These hospitals are what municipal.
Okay.
And they were about 8 or 10 cheap compounds.
Okay.
It has to be okay. But we say so air battle about the augmented facilities that you want. It highway that make cancer from the Cape Coast. It be bad. That's the for the facility to receive the patients.
Okay.
Good. Okay. A bit for referrals. It me abasa. And we so how it's it for polyclinic.
Okay.
You know, for polyclinic. As students take a bit more use almost as
learning center.
Right, for us as a learning center.
Wow.
It's a very nice facility.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. I was MC or Asante Bekwai. Honorable Chamber for Edin Kobo. What I see radio and TV discussions are one of the issues that health committee or parliament minority etaka wan sempa ba e ba apobo santimante mu ba ko ene se formana Bekwai Kumawu any other hospitals aban da no e chase no aban ba e wato jejemu MC wa ha mfuni na mo hwe no se nyame ya atuma memenda his excellency the president eko na akotwa mama ma e se no etumi a chase ayusu no so ewo eho afi ye market no na ebi won so enko mo fa nche say bia ye de afrafra say the say into the yes but I believe say the impulse is that you need to know the development so Asante Bekwai honorable we know so ye de yan atache bi o ana
about the market new one but one we take a picture no
okay
na you picture right as of now
okay
it's the menu because in about 2 weeks I be commission
okay
it's one of them
and I'm doing in lesson season mo commission commissioner general
that is our strategy that's our strategy you can afford it that's our strategy
okay okay mo commissioner okay na say the phone nim
say no only nko
see the say no more fine
the follow o kunu mu
okay
closer place be you know but enye hanon
right man no for na afi ya ne honorable enhwe any eno ho nkomo
right this one disability fund no
okay
first be maybe an atwam na say ya sa konoma uba dodi homra me ko makura say Apenkra hospital dodi homra no obeje this time we are not doing it that way
okay
cannot bar be 2 or 3 quarters but they top with top wheelchair fridges head rights
okay
they are tall wheelbarrows they are tall carpentry tools they are tall sewing machines and then foot machines
okay
they are tall maybe now we call them they are mouth
okay
the mouth is kaka
we dey the omo no so omo pa na ebi as me no because ebi am me pay ebi freja
oh yeah
me dey beton nsu ana
me dey amount
okay obi nso pay ebi because so machine
dey amount
oh okay
o carpenter no pay to dey amount asati ta obi might be was but wheelbarrow be 3 what to be for aka ho
wow
you would think wheelbarrow no any bibi amount but e ya te papa obi o fa that will be the fa kwa twere e bia 5 6 day
okay
and only you might demand
some of the district no ya no mo complain
we say one district one factory
one district
one factory
Kaskazini
factory what the agria kasa a lot of products e hono bi high hono
inside
yeah agria kasa what the baby what the other products perfumes
afi no omo hoda da na omo
that's under one district one factory
okay
and when we net covid there buy machines buy udini go read it
Mama, the general overview of the program, one this one factory project, no. Mama, me exceed, no. We inside, Mama, with the background, Nankasa.
That's how it looks.
Oh, okay. See, we know it's the Krobers one, Kasa.
Buja, Ultra, so the Ultra Bujari. Now we call for me now. Who's a police barrier? Just after the police barrier on the left side.
Wow.
Just after the police barrier on left side.
Wow. In your estimate, no, a bit near far. Magunu Bear say,
oh, in probably 200 different from.
200.
Yes, because
okay.
Planting for food and for export.
Okay.
Paid. Planting for export and rural development. That's the paid.
Okay.
No, you're far abe. Any cool. Last year, I made about 50,000.
Okay.
You do the money. This time we have given a make to farmers free of charge anyway. About 50,000 at the amount farmers.
Okay.
Now, because I'm very good to know, so we see machine here, you get materials for this work, for your work. You should say under paid of planting for export and rural development, the farm. And it's a far cuckoo. We don't say also cuckoo farmers. And yes, sir. It's your menu. This time, next week, I'm starting back for enhancing rural youth.
Okay.
Youth entrepreneur. So some government are buying yanya as with Adenkrenya. And you hold my be constructed one factory for a purposely for me.
Okay.
This is one of the under one this one factory I will see here anyway. Yeah.
We don't quite on this one factory.
Well, one factory. You become you at the craft farmers, at the craft frontiers, and your poultry farm.
Okay. When a
drew a whole moon, previously, now I will contact oil mills. I will contact oil mills. No, we didn't power. Now, a conform of penny appearing car and toy. Call a creature. You know what kind of man under one this one factory secretariat. I'm also government and that's for that much bank and invite home. I will assess some near Mount Loan, no wako activity with you. That's another thing. You know, one when the fellow Aketiboge factory, also Dinyase, Dominase, also the cotton bad, cotton bad, air refreshness, and a soup and a perfumes, also her oil. A truck even at the given time, may bam it signing no ever produce. But this to tell you, say we are seriously working under this. We
know more animals, bear on big name.
Oh, no, as I said, you could be that was a crack. Oh, okay. And you could not wash a crack. But for the COVID, it's first by, I think it's read by the close of November.
It is Ubi cancer, one this one factory, no, Umuria, but quiet, okay. Okay. I was you so a din komo e wasante be kwa e mpuntu djuma e cross wo be kwa I diesel wo say entry amreku ene aben oti sui yetimi etwa ne so ma schools hospital be kwa hospital e say there ene nya so be ka wase bi say say ye wie NDC sha say 50% na NPP e 50 na be ka ho am yetimi awie oh eno kwa ne project a NDC sha say ma be wi na say other project NDC sha say
no. So far, none of the projects of NPP shall NDC shall say. Except that we say I'm the actual.
Now, mobile will be a school there. NDC has
where that Baku war dominance. I think it's what a foundation level. Okay. By a taxpayers' money, we couldn't have let it go waste. We see very nice edifice of Honma. That's the only one.
Another way, Mabunu. Mabunu. Numa. Mobile to a kind about being your moment when you might any idea. So far, we are buying and seen out the quiet. Mabuno, as a term to say, you want to say, I remember or somewhere under because you'll be real square, no Pajuma. Take it, teaching. It's this way, force work. Talk of military, talk of police, talk of fire service and all that. Through the MP, Yamadu don't wait. Telling through my MP, Yamadu don't wait. I know, and I will buy under planting for food and jobs. And maybe this time around, no, okay. This time, you were one director, the fellow Emmanuel Mensah, our director of MUFA.
the emebune wuram a emebune bom pa na we bi kura ha ne enema a yede ama emebune a omuye mu adwuma ebe yowa na oba under this forestry work we need probably 157 in the enya ewo adwuma they said we know bias will be ebe adwuma but within this 3 years close to 4 years we give you a lot of them some work to do till we are born pa say 4 more for Nana, 4 more for your wife for that part, 4 more for MPP. No, the best at Yakobemu more. I am more.
I was for them, say, Brian, you didn't come out. I was ante be quiet. 0543 596 070. WhatsApp what the baby nyamre. Yaken kai ede amount. Your name MCE Honorable Cheiba for na ED Nkomo. I say, sir, good evening. I'm on Henneba set, enjoying your program from Takrade. Yes, okay, I agree with JDM that Amidu is a coward. Was he instructed to investigate a Japan deal or Airbus scandal? Okay, no. Hi, good evening, Sir Mike. I'm watching you from Kokofu. Good news to our MCE. But please ask him what exactly has the MP done different from other MPs in the region. Okay, maybe we shall not add the amount. Hi, Sir Mike. I'm a native of Kokofu. Kokofu for okay, but I stay in Kumasi. Don't he think our MP has to leave for others to come? Okay. Also, the I don't know. Nanama Eddie Fribakwa no there about say great MCE. Honorable, please kindly tell what you have been doing for the poor also in the constituency. Okay, so you have 3 answer. Honorable, not be omubusa say ba kono busa say the wayama emfa ase de mo
for you see be me case say obi omobo wadaroma ene onwa disabled for it is disabled for say about a little more than half month ago you many probably 40 di
okay
and the master omobo for me no can say and me bana we check 15,000 at the quarter ton be there for education be your 9 almost 7 sa be so you for I take the mouth they said the mobile for salary and I can leap so the pay will leap so surely pay a will leap also a dosso pa leap from 2017 to 2018 in a way the pay Afukrum any attempt amanshia atujibie echineso wawase bodoma busanko jumakro eno ebi etia sara kokobe kwa bebe they are lot so you don't know what that one by the account oh yeah the account because you say the better for person right the account okay really no by ni part be shom na element be catch say but be now obi ebisa for kokufu say what differently and honorable the wise ayo be kwaya so tie compare other MPs ko bia wo bisa kokufu ni no I want to be free okay but if I should narrow down to kokufu alone mess upon my second school the boys don't to a she yeah yeah who say was first deputy of parliament or MP on 46,000 first 460 million but they got top boxer shorts trunks paste towels mattresses everything at the man could have the could have done okay now through him no problem with computers in your computer 30 and 8 accessories at the school school na how in foot through your tile school no yeah open memorial one skills from the campus the by na dining hall ya upgrade that first dining hall so at the amount no cause you see dormitories the amount time na school ni share no do say so jawan of education minister and then my course e school of infrastructure development course and now that place alone go to now 2-3 weeks ago about me buy or call because this second school I dormitory very nice to be commission here could a lot of things are going on call of course ko be SHS and then my course wo ho ko hui e ko me catch back said track and dormitory construction be on track so there are a lot of things through honorable things come to think of Akwai my brother the quiet township now Akwai necessary will be about 20.1 kilometers the quiet township not the quiet other villages no come to Anyakwanta no of course copy the copy campaign dominance selfie ejemesu old road so ko hoda
and you rules oh
yes I'm talking Akwai kwa make was
ese mo ho de mo kwan do ni nya
do ke dia boa
Akwai
I'm telling you for we are catch no we are Akwai for we are Akwai no fencho okay and them
we are Akwai there no
well I think it is one of the Akwai roads
okay
yes
Mariana was
that contact only me say after the day chickens egusu yeah but the close of the year it will be thank you okay so filling station guy modest
okay
yeah he's doing the work koshe ayi kwano uko pano ko ko ntina nko na ko apipisu na ko akusi uko kuja kumbo na hoso akwanzi se no kete ye ko na start friday ko pharmacy ye kwani wo na uba ayi kufie kensre pampaso bibi wo mem akusi bewurase akusi bobo asikwembo na hoso contractors the only meet me akase the only municipal are 8 contractors working simultaneously I'm telling you okay simultaneously
okay na this will be there so na na ya jedu e fi Bekwai na there about say Mike if development is ongoing seriously at Bekwai then it means we should give thanks to the independent candidate. He has put pressure on them. Honorable,
what pressure can you put on us? What pressure? You are that person. What pressure? Test him back. Pressure ben odiaba.
Okay.
You understand? Pressure ben odiaba.
Say yes, no one can know so emujo. No ne buy na say ehu no. Ti enye ne sentence say be ankofo no mu ndiem. Ana
abobi di asufu ho okwayem. Wọ́n sẹ́ ọ̀bọ̀n ẹ̀tẹ́sẹ̀ wà dada asufu na ọkọ̀ ìfẹ́ ọkọ̀ sábọ̀ no wọ́n sẹ́ ọ̀bọ̀n ẹ̀tẹ́sẹ̀ wà dada asọ́ ẹ̀tẹ́sẹ̀ wà bẹ̀bà wọ́n ti àṣẹ ní ẹ̀yẹ ìgbìmọ̀ dada asọ́ independent bẹ̀bà when did independent come independent bẹ̀bà ẹ̀kọ́ ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ìgbìmọ̀ náà sí dada when did he come because the ìgbìmọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ says more than 5-6 months ago independent when did he come àwọn kan sẹ́ ọbẹ̀ kọ́ntẹ́
mọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ signal na sẹ́ ebi àmọ́ deɛ we are politicians we are munya signal
so oba it should up our game or come on no signal so independent people and so up your game no now you set yourself to public ridicule so yes I am manual when we're doing our work what is coming
okay Joseph Melu Achirenso mo Achirenso bi o Achirenso ama awanya Bekwai eni bia na nya Bekwai see I'm watching live please chance no so okay more chance please I'm watching live ask the MC our road not all that best
yes a chance we can oboasi road no so
okay
contractors on the work on the road
contractor kwan
oboasi kwan aye kwata oboasi you know so we there oboasi also that if that chance I'm referring to there contractor also
okay
it's when you say when you say there
okay
when you say there
okay I say Mike tell the MC they should project their area than what they are doing no I say mama Bekwai ada o Bekwai nje kuketu a
na e da sen nada
Kumawu say chantere Kumawu
project say these are the need bekan any name you show hey we are projecting the municipal okay e dey dey
but dey ohun say bia mo say dan mo ntanye
yeah I've been going to your colleague your sister stations
okay
we're going to your FM stations Makobe 6 also LTV you say ma to me any Kesben
okay
yes I go there it's a project
okay
project it's yes idea you have put our hands just across our chest and we're not doing anything we are working seriously
okay hi Vasco please tell the MCE to inform the MPO that we will vote. Oh, Charlie, oh yeah, sure.
We vote saying.
And he will say, that's
what I told you. That's why we say we are and yet dissenting dissenting views. It is one of them. So if that person is writing anything contrary to maybe the it is left to that person.
Okay. Naomi, so I say live on Facebook. Okay. Minutes of people will be up one cast or catch up to another young man into because me do tech. Me do tech. The same way. But the same should be the Messiah. After the president right. Then to me okay. Then president the following week friend. Yes. Remember. The Choir Hospital no. Oh, Saturday. The Choir. Saturday. Simplicity. Saturday also live. Is it Choir Chrono? As our bars in more be more. How you? My brother. We draw pictures be all one. Next time make good. Make you Nadia bro. Okay, make you Nadia bro. Make communication director of customer for brand. Yeah. You also the many papa. Fair enough. Fair enough. Or you never we are next week from Nanabakwa Monday to Friday. You come in the outcome. Right. Let what Papa won't say about. Good. I was MC Bakwai and I 18 come or say honorable your wives. Can be also really hands down. But let me to Faber 3 course. 0202 668461. 0202668462. Numbers no go screen no let me afre na let me act on kai din komo e wo Asante Bekwai obi abaso hello good evening. Okay let me so let me afre Asante Bekwai enkomo e na yedi what say say one day so one factory no nyame adom omonya omo de e Bekwai akwan ahodo omo eye e Bekwai we no free mo so a the honorable aka and say honorable your wise there can be also I was say utini esa akọ fi so abodwuma ama ne modern bono e wani mu pa obetimi abem mefa be 3 course na afi no honorable ntwa me dun tem ne mu can be also I was say ya fa won so okọ no on be kwai the wo eka wo question so ebusa obetimi so no ebusa e wo Asante Bekwai na afi yetimi edim komo beren on Facebook and other we am there band twen ya frɛ phone on minister mo na mo yes sir when it comes to FSHS hello okay my main fa that's of course hello good evening boss we are your free your friend Imam Mekafasi Asimoda okay Imam too you don't say na weda MC Swasi Jumedia Ekoso ewo Asante Bekwai na next year na na to after yenya no na wa Asante Bekwai odu mi wo Atimoda na ye be kuma fun a eho ene emam na ofe juma bia Asante Bekwai teacher aye ho ko ta so de ogu so kwa ayi am in fact mi kan inti no ubia amfa efonso independent nada no ntoma leader Joy MPP Adam no that say hello good we are your friend look at the Asante Bekwai it's you ni bapana you are doing so studio if you have a cast mind and power for when you no kwa the sense me an kasa me is no radio station I'm a big I think the time I'm here to one of the 5 position you are not seeing that if you remember what I got to learn ya me the media if you be a man sure the cast you are doing so super ya what media of what the democracy is the animal pianta we dey have police in this gentleman we dey like you say we see the power here to matter okay you know say hello good evening okay let's go now so Mamefa call am good evening hello good evening good evening.
Yeah, good evening again.
Yami ado bako ni ada free.
Me traffic be quiet. Me turn power.
Okay, yenti.
The pacho. Ni MC kama. Ebi no kwa ebi so nya no kwa. Nti omo ya mo e bibi.
Okay.
Ebi wa nya no kwa.
Dia ni nya no.
Yem fan say komi ya kwa na so na go basa omo ntimi ne. Nti omo je no man.
Okay. Yeah, see. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay. Oh, you say according to what? Okay, I'm far better than you. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Evening.
We just are free for him, man.
Baba Samibu, esi ọma English.
Okay, into you.
Baba Sao, ìpínlẹ̀ MP Peter Pẹ̀lú wàhálà àbẹ̀yẹ pa ẹ̀rọ náà pẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n tó ń tẹ̀sí yà nà ọmọ nso ọmọ ọmaka nọ ẹ̀sọ́ pẹ̀tù ọmọ n'ẹ̀mẹ̀ ọdún ọdún ọmọ ayé mi nà ẹ̀bẹ̀ ọmọ àti na mi nsúra nà pa àtẹ̀wé ní akọ̀nà pàdé pẹ̀tù ọmọ n'ẹ̀mẹ̀ yọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ti ọmọ àbẹ̀
Okay, yeah, I say FNC, FNC. I think this is the first TV show when you're in Sembo, and I'm
You're right. I can't follow the panel, but it's a wow applause the first time.
But because everyone also our kind of group.
Oh yeah, no, Kakuni Wakwan. Kwani a free abuaso.
Okay.
Dutum. Sokore just krum koni yaw na kwadwinase na kosubriso na kokokotro it is because my year constituency organizer from 96 to 2006 if there is any nook and cranny of that place I don't know and this time no the mind no me ye father kwano na omo awie
right
and MPP back you dey back to so me investigation also. It took Honorable Joe Osewu to fed the Speaker of Parliament to force for a German and oh yes, no.
That was one also free.
Contractor was so away. Okay. The customer we are not doing so.
Okay. But I'm going to I'm really bad. More than part of the moment last one.
Oh well, if I say
ye jawa ma wako then I will chat to wa ma be kwai for him say memenda wan pani eba from be kwai for na o meta chi
kwai for ye kan say ye nananom aka ye ya tete for hwehwe ye na abamu no the hospital no the hospital no abakose chesele ka mampo hospital na president said we twi dem ba ye ana ama be kwai ana ko mampo sana be tene de na President Kufuor time occupy sikat was a kobe in this hospital Fufi and Tuata and Ojari Abamo and now the first one this buy because buy SAS that makes me 50% more year and now also Obuja to home your mama buy one coho you buy it last year
mama buy one coho
no
mama buy
one coho one coho
Mo commission you na area say the was e be nyamre na yatrase
good
na yetini adi
last year 29th May and I Eclipse construction firm
okay
or the government demand and on my be my concert
okay
Eclipse and concert
and
no mo yedwuma sisi ho and na ye fan ko ye famra we yakopa dom no minte president bibia no
na hospital na fidi hospital
na hospital obia no wia if I say say yes obi no wia na share no but say by next January next year no na yeah bibia operation na wo ka say yenye ho no mo no be two hospitals no e basa ya maintenance culture be confirm
anya ye wia o bani be wia ye mo aba no problem no da ya se frefre e ka kire mo kan maye o na mo se yenye sei enya commission wia ye mo ba ne enya mra mo wache Ghana for the bia I was say bia no e separate na se kan e ti di honkobo
but me how bia
good
me how bia akwai say ye fufura no honkwai me no honkwai me jai me dia wada haya
okay
na ye wia yɛbɛyɛ ho pɛsɛmpɛsɛ
ah wɔyɛ n'ase
ne mu deɛ meka ne sɛ nana ado dankwa akufoado deɛ ɔde ɔma no firi akoduro no for me to any other person unprecedented we didn't see that Sara Suna Joe Oseusu the first deputy parliament MP you know what didn't work municipal no for me the catch say I'm not doing any unhealthy comparison
okay
but the reality is that when you must MP for anyone
I'll be quiet.
Yes. Me come watch it. Me come policy watch it. For it to say to this America. Me America.
Right.
If you can say Joe Wise twice.
Okay. Joe Wise twice. No, as much as
hey, boom.
Right. I want to out for air MC and what your back. I mean, if I can also remember that it's me. I think I must see.
Kumawood Training Institute and San Juma Ahimfie Asaka Omo Bio. Or say, fa na mi ansape, fa be suan San Juma na fa bo bra. Ment na ho na de bia no enkosre sika e wo bi ho. Wan kasa ye boss. Ye wan kasa waduma na wo so ye mfra boss ni bi. Enu ti na Kumawood TV4 edwene Ghana fo ho e no makofa Kumawood Training Institute Ediaba Sebra Nebesuansa no dwuma na emwa yede enam yensen esuansa no dwuma bi te se bees making shampoo conditioner hair pomade weed decide de akuafo adi spray omo no bae so no bra nebesua na emwa CCTV and multi-TV installations bioenzymes 3D epoxy biofield digester the friend of flash na ahye no sansa no dwuma we nyina yade enam yensape ana de asi ho a yade ebe kyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina
utifie bi a wadwe bɛ yɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ den kra na matimi de nam yensape asua saa ansa no dwuma we nyina ma me kyerɛw ɔmo ba last month no ɔmo bɛ di adanse sɛ ampa ɔmo timi de nam yensape asua ansa no dwuma bebree anunti ba ne nya sɛ wontimi nsua
anunti yase fa 300 Ghana cedis per never be sua saa ansa no dwuma we nyina eba so on the 26th 27th and 28th November Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And now me and Sapper and your dear Siwa, your dear sons and the Duma Winner. So fresh never, baby obada, free. And not to ready, catch the Wunia, no Wunians on country in India. Say Kumawood Training Institute for dear. How much are there? Sabi walk on school though. So go school though, over to me as Yabi. And the baby will be any baby will free beer. But what they say, Obafaka, no Bakumase. Ahojo Atenga Junction baby Kumawood TV4 no ehwa pepepe fresh number na that screen is no 0244 294066 0244 294066 Kumawood Training Institute wase ensano dwuma ahimfie beye butu
I'm not a form of Bibiaka, somebody mre na Sunday more hemi. A KNG have by any the time about Mesha, a dear Abegamaso, now my refuge and a how not to me any day, Dana Mount I am mre, a young but my dinner no time about Mesha Ibi, Bora Drasta Basho, Pharmacy show be out, I'll say, over time about Mesha, now when you be a bit me up wow, you okay and Jane about capsules, a dra on no matter one and come one in Yan or Ding a strong, they sent it.
Yes, I'm Aquaba, Ever Sinupi on Kumawood TV. And two, they got trouble, but I'm faster and for Emma Gosway casket. Say, Odinisica, so as Ned Medino, but was saying a year now, oh, yeah. Now, when you're not a person, you know, Uto Frodaka ambulance video coverage. Sikarabe Yini now, with me up wow. I'm a second in Abbey. Frodaka need to be well. To buy an answer more be the upper piano, no, you the corner Mescaka, what the year we are. Or to be a fan on to we and the Konya Cassia, a free Gosway casket at the Ebrewo, Kumasi, and one Fantino town, labor on about Wa and a Gosway, a Cachino Ewo 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 from na Omonyo. So remember, and I was season 2 no, yes, audition no, I say, I was part, I no, Kumasi Atenga Junction. See, Opa baby, one is over Kumasi, Atenga Junction, and also over 0243 174870 0243 4870 ofra ebejo so na afi no ya direction bra na ebe cho obobia na afi enema TV kwankan emfa emawo Michael Boateng ofuri krum NPP communication officer atenase sanso ena Patrick Bafo Etua and so Ashanti regional communication team member for the NDC and so atenase yeko na support tweno asefale channel bra 0543 596 070 de makwaba
yeah
boko de
you are domboko na so
na me adomboko fugu ya MPP kale so
MPP na
sese muntikura na maye ntimi nto atade o
wala ntimi what yeto
okoto a na wa hekales ni na wa we pa
e be ka se nje
okoto MPP na ukoye so MPP fo ka se wa say ndit for time
oh debi and they say you bit me ato o to wo favorite so o say MPP kales na fe and munyambu unlike NDC so and to turn MPP now show kales ni ma ya so so am power to match atade this sanity and the
so we come for there
e come boko
no na ye tie boko na kwa bana fe yenso constitution bana ka baba
ojo so ya
ya boko there
ade acha e tin community na ko pa na family
me hu na ndam judasa te duma si o se drobo so ni ade na uta campaign
aduma se o ma ne ye radio ni ti wa eno fi hia ni de se o ko ni bana kasa na se na oni o na se ko sha ye ni mi no o se hand in hand
okay
ye ba radio ni ti na mti ha mi anso ya sa ko form na ko shi ni ba no face to face ni o
okay
ni mi no nyina
and I'm
going to be motivation is from President Mahama. Who set it as back as NDC activist, so your communicator, so your branch executive. Now, she said, here, President Mahama was the area campaign at his age, and to also her, I never do her, and motivate and so to say, exhibit my auntie, who say a quiet near her. It's not from President Mahama. You're not motivate and so more.
Right, you didn't come on na you come on the no question ba kwa yibusa mama nyefu ya boy teach the bupa and it's dum so no one the two ase Ghana say ase today one the two ase John Dramani Mahama na ye ana say na da ko fado aben na mo abe mo na mo abe dum so no to the same
me that's it me kan fa ko yesu na mentia ofuru krom for
good
na mencha Dr. Emmanuel Mafo MP esa jumaden a oyo no furukum no ana odin edinta me furukum fo nyina ni aso edinta sa abato e rakoto edi furukum fo nyina sa sada abato edinta me aduma 14 ye de aduma panto aso work
okay
if you do e bi so furukum
aduma panto aso
on the 14th yeah aduma pa robo MP aye na dan kwa nso aye amo furukum no yes if furukum ma committee be 22 no obiye nyam chefa to menya so nti ba unjude hu ne course wo bank man kwampo de ene ye nkecho
is eso father senso na adi ba
yes nti ne for kuro beto for besi for kuro no ma yo mo so mo person be president ni for kuro no na beda one time nti mi fan check se pa mo na MPP for ne constituency executive chama community also mi chat pa o ka dum so wasemi since we had been said anka elections in media nanka ye comparing of records and anka ye kan wasa nka dum so asem kwa nka kan magana for ni anim
so records no be no credit no there was or some would do so be credit
ina woni
records no
so woni gana ni bi anim kwa fa so ma dum so ase tuye se me djuma first dum so edi o magana you know the bro my Ghana team for mo je saduma etibo for ya the pam for training for na how anya mane a komi under John Dramani Mahama from 2012 to 2016 am femu and to mo to aban boom e man na dan kwekufo ado o my be far abenya no 2017 obi ansumi e say sata man na John Dramani Mahama e was 2016 na dum so da so ho. There are evidences, there are records, and everything shows not doing so. That's what I'm saying. And they do so partial. And the million you so talk around now. We say so. I got that big compact still now light. Unlike John Dramani Mahama, a person 2012 to 2016. It's only Muna ya analyzed.
But His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say in January, February 2016, Adum so over.
Right. So Mike, may catch us say in 2016.
Okay.
So in 2016, we went to 2014. 2014. So we did a electricity supply plan report on the buyer now. As at 2015, now there were 116 load shedding operations. 16 operations.
Daily now.
No,
okay,
that's in all, no, yearly, no. 2016, and I do 42 load shedding. In 2017, I do 42. Sorry, 2016, no, 24. 2017, we have 42 load shedding operations.
Okay.
Organize it. The 2017, no. Na Ghana's do so now. John Dramani Mahama say 2016.
2017, no.
Yes, 2017. Not do so that's all. Early part of 2017. No one.
We take over.
We take over now. Oh, say capacity wise, from 2015, 2016, you're born to they say about capacity. We have enough. But the problem is say sikana na eha of my Ghana Satan. Now this is for the sikana manti is say o metutua because we show we say UCG. Now show VR. Now show a car no mode. And now say buy etimi so basle a pump sika etutua e kabia o mudi na mo. They were not paying. It took offer capacity in this one car power no one bound ma better than meter unit one. So it says some financial constraint na e ya there na e ha electricity supply. E ma ye kan wasema bi na tu otia so we do. Enim say na sikasem. Na mo kofa car power America one because as of 2015 no na Ghana the capacity was 2,925 23.5 megawatts. Na capacity na Ghana here na 2,200 megawatts. And now you surplus of 723 megawatts, 0.5 megawatts. This is not supply in Kenya. So share actual gas. Sika the car in Nigeria for this is when some people never na some na wo chas wo dim say when you sika some but can na John Dramani Mahama say enye sa na sika some na they say technical problems bi no be but me charge 2000 was it October more was it 16 or so. John Dramani Mahama just simply catch Ghana for say person you enjoy lighter very good. Don't you know? So in that sense, then na is quite. Then na is a quite na enjoy light no. Yes, kasam. You and I know. Yes, kasam. So when we came in, we need to find money, put in, and then make sure the light in the so. And then you enjoy free light. You enjoy light to the extent you say now don't quit me Ghana for enjoy free light. Say light now you should to half to 50%. Now can buy a beside account. To the Mahama show. I been see Ghana for from 2012 now by now. We teach Ghana for so crowd. Say Ghana show more bread and we hear breakthrough into the moment so free that we think beside. Na John Dramani na dan kwa kufuado. Na me nim die ni na me so ni ahofa mane opepad opso be adwuma de boa so na the Ghana ntino. We think say the Ghana for the mamo light free. Oh, and so minimum free for 6 months. Light 3 months no and we mutu half. Nyaka nyina you see that's governance. It is about the case na you do so we do so. Say Mike minimum na say as at 2016 but then now first now we hear demand 2016 na never do so ni no. You do right. Na mouse instance say as at 2017 kwampono jema you na 42 late operations. Ghana my say.
But they keep on also saying say car power and marry any those ones nearby. And I be wow. And no na man can be a no. And then at times kwan we better say this because say mo say enyam no and no 8 million support there. Munu no near here there.
Mike. The point is wakoto car ni siko. Won ni sika de to fuel egu car ni ma car ni to move. Moko fa ba ai is capacity there. Yes, one na mo dey buy. You can say na mo dey buy. The capacity was there. To say but the man dey meet me massage me nia eto ya adwuma. Na mo say wakoto car. Oh say Mike ultimate to car. Oh wakoto car ni siko. Tumi ehwe. You want to fuel and how can the car work? So I say that was the problem. enti so mo ka 2016 na dum so dia na ya tro no say John Domani mama kwa ko nyina nsem bi odmo ka bi nyina e mfuto no tugu Ghana for ni it is hard debate we say na say this issue dey I think say Ghana for ni be dada enya dia afre na yes abetna ho asa tutu me e be tutu say abasa no Ghana for ni na ya we say o memo e otiai asa 2016 na dum so ndisi for e fi aban mu no na dum so da so ho no na e na do dan kwa kufu ado e dey Dr. Muda Omia aban ba ye MPP aban ba ye e be so dum so
okay masa ba ho atua dum so debate John Ramani Mahama sa ko fa ba biu
it's a need lo ho otia what happening me if you say maybe a communication yeah kasa traffic but the man Ghana for e show on person sin sem na wo kan
do fat na dey wa kan dey do so dey na dey
who dey allow you don't speak that keke who you foreigner dum so ati wa Ghana since President Rollenstein President Kufuor experience you dum so eti for hwe me Ghana for nyina anim under your time and then am ye fa dum so nothing 8 years now but you see e ya dia apile sa na President Mahama time and a beje in nsem and this is obi anim sima Ghana ni bi anim we dam I go university ka say dey we dam ye ba on ka che say we are 400 megawatts and the we dam a power kesi pa 120 megawatts it meets ya be do 70 80 it would try ka capacity here 2000 you have calculated all that the capacity is different from what you are generating but no we dam as amount 400 megawatts what for about 70 megawatts o say unya say we ever support and we dam ya hydro no we need control no because the zone level zone the zone am mu na antene abeyeden nti you say e see turning from hydro to thermal ne as a generators akesia ya near the either liquefied petroleum gas and now say crude oil the gum near their power and no ne bo ne 5 times expensive say na wo ye odi hydro nti say wo de wonya no wonsuom ti say akoso mo dam ne bui dam na e ka wo pa sa na kanea na ba no say wo de thermal ne ya 5 times it's when you are bringing on more thermal plants they are electricity bills ever cost nti dey na this year play who say kanea no aduru ni who say ye nya thermal plant ri be ka ho na timi so no hwe dey but the mama achievement e wo kwa nyema ye dey so mu dum so no eni first of all 110 megawatt stream component of T2 power plant no 110 megawatts get the bound stream they free on 250 megawatts American power plant get the buy the 225 megawatt car power batch say no so ya aware and no say the buy if you hear no inside the 220 megawatts thermal plant and no so ya aware 180 megawatts first stage of Suhum Asogli phase 2 and so ya aware if you hear the 38 megawatt TTP plant 2 megawatt solar power plant at Nabongo 8 megawatts at Kalio in the Upper West region that never when the solve dum so President Kufuor onye Yesu na ka say let there be light na nkania so say yesterday was a see say nkania dum na person nkania so a this how kofa nkania riba na wo be so asa na nkania na so eniema ye dey solve dum so na wo go dia theory these are the things that solve dum so today as we speak all of them are working aya na wo ka say bi ampa and this for your to say na no pa omunu enema wo go din ba ko parents dum so ama if they claim that I never want to solve dum so they should opt just one of the plants and see and to say you why you don't need to debate it president vice president Mahmoud Bawumia his excellency Mr. Oloko to have said Mahama deserves no credit for solving dum so is it not true vice president was say I don't Ghana for president Mahama was no president let's say dum so ba no solve why never na pass today everything is any other solve here so do you know more than your vice president look when they say you are handing over the dum so economy it's a fact that Ghana need to have a the time I handle for them mono na dum so new and you see an infidel back at you yes are they gas thermal plants close to $1 billion and they invested into Ghana gas cause American church say thermal plants you know we used to either liquefied petroleum gas and also crude oil around their power nti you say Nigeria for the southern no profit so e nya gas na southern mo say ye bofu
na ye bofu na mo for na na say the car na ye the end gas
the issue is that an agreement supply me I'll pay you the agreement the PI do at now you do moka
but do be no agreement scale was to an enco and it's still international
and now me know say go and check the 2020 budget you are still owing them because per agreement no omo da dey brand area asa na etiaka enti the PI e ka di animu so what e ka be wan say na wo
don't you remember
thermal plant na me dey buy no ade e nka dey ani ni ho ma wo thermal plant am dey aba I don't know that so would do so me we am who say me here gas and na master couple say be invest into Ghana gas Ghana gas no e produce gas and you see a power thermal plant no you see a quality be from Abuazi am na ko do thermal you tell all the thermal plants in the do e ka say do it me fa gas is all the petroleum gas no e sa fa crude oil but all the crude oil ni ya ni more dey say we use the petroleum gas because gas ni a suburb of crude oil I mean mami to was in I say but funny ya kesi se ka say crude oil la oil na ye to aba woro na ye nya so me so nyi petrol enyi diesel enyi turpentine ya da dim free mu no enti se wo to e no ani boarding but the petroleum gas ni ye ya so ni so e petrol e diesel e na say ya sa gas ni ye den e wo so enti se wo the gas ni ya ni wo for since we use crude oil ni nyina enti na me no ka say ya connect most of the thermal plant no ayeda ni nyina ye the time because President Mahama a visionary leader but see on the plant in Bari no some my gas are dey power and the Ghana ni bia nim say ma we nyina nim say these are the things I do so food do so wo dey o ma me na ewu ada oka wo dey aso na pa na to fu agum na wutu na na wo nim say before ba better na 2018 budget o mo di shemu say o mo be do 456 megawatt thermal plant bu say we
but I'm saying you're SS so why the need
India, and I'm sure say India in their own budget it was in it so we added 456 in 2018 why is it SS na waka wan sem almost say on wasa at almost for SS na waka say kan na buso finance minister for parliament tell the go do ko President Mahama say President Mahama since sign contract na man kan na buso am ye boka me boa na ni pa wo si no na so fu ye afi da wa wo ta say kan na buso me ye boka
almost say generation so inti na yesika sem
na wa asuma mi ke so went am say went tie ade ane kan na du me na me wo ho no ana ko fa ade me mbobodin nyina ba ana ama ade no aso ana nko fo ne nam say de nya ti a wo yi say nya me na me yeye na ma nya chi na me yesika sem enti fide na me ba ni nyina no fide na me ye hwi very enough after the finance minister for parliament no so say the mama say fide na ma e kan na busu nti ye produce excess ma me nche munjo na ti ase ya sama o kan pa say wo fie ho na o generator na e bia 30 kV but o fie o hia 15 kV ya da wo so plant na you know say be generate 30 kV ye ba wo consume 15 na 15 na kan ase bukwa
yeah
finance minister nti say bia o pese wo ye productive wo company kan ka bi je sin chen enti wo so na te fie na 15 na kan so ni ka na e da ye adwuma finance minister say mo kan say President Mahama since say fidie na ma say ye so ye kan na bebere abegusu aye shigu kwa ye boka
okay
meanwhile me no ka say see o Ghana ha about 20% of this country can you draw that's only 20% me manu say mo so how me say 20% of this country can you draw and this will claim say the mama sign ade na na boroso ama kan ya ni bi ko waste my ye boka about $1 billion every year why someone is standing konkuru na kan ya no sunu mo munya bi
proper
and this 20% of your people omunin kania the mama asisa fidie we nyina ba man kania na buso ama se se e bi ko we sama ye boka se dem kana and now we standing ko na near the record between this near people na me fan ko in terms of electricity coverage under the NDC under the NDC na every year bia kania ye de konkuru so na ye set about 5% we doing 5% annually. I am start to tell you this evening say upon all the annoyance in their 3 years omunye even 2%. It is in the budget. Can you educate through the rural education program? Near add 5% of the country every year.
Okay.
And the nothing at this time when we say oh say 5. The number so na fi bia ba who better so and tell me say no 2%. Wo say claim say and can I do so me boka and now start say wo na so food so. What they dey so food so. What they pay na the paper.
Right. Now see, we done install capacity. You're saying
it's around 400 megawatts. But it's 120.
Depending on.
Yes, if you look up for we do 70. Even somehow the last year, a buyer will do 70, and I need you know more you say a buyer from shutting it down.
Okay. Just a minute.
Sir Mike, who's a big answer? Casadude, who's a airful. But near at all, my Ghana for 3 no, and I Ghana for doing what I'm saying.
But and the chrono you
look at it, yes, I mean the chrono. Ghana need Ben or take a chrono more on him said John Dramani Mahama and the best companies Ghana Hulu. Sally doing so at the bar from 2012 to 2016.
Oh, not the bar.
Oh, so they are OT. So that time they do the pick. So I said, but who's it to say I can't do so? What did walk about George Rollins say or do so the time I say Nima?
Okay.
What about my pain that John Jim could say the time do so say Nima? But you don't do so, why did you? The only achievement Dr. John Dramani Mahama Edija of my Ghana was do so. I'll go there. About John Mama Dia. I got to company after a Yawon company. They will say, or no, the time I do so, a dream pick. I guess it. And now, obviously, say, sometimes you know, then a full market getting now, mouth for, and the mass celebrities let me come with Bomu, and yeah, vision, one vision. I go far. Some man so late to call it, now, and then the wedding. Upon promises about 31 promises John Dramani Mahama did my Ghana for or so from 2013 and by to 2016 but now it is of do so.
Okay. Right, I was you go so din komo for them to every nyamre enkinkan and from Gomez from Oforikrum. Please might tell the NDC man that for we Ghanaians all we know is that Dumso was solved by Nana Addo for more to do more. Hi, good evening. What Michael Boateng, the NPP man, is saying is true because as at early February 2017, Dumso was there. So based on what the NPP man is saying is true. Nanado was the one who stopped Dumso Asante from Angomaso Freecom constituency for more for Nana to do more. Hi, Sir Mike, good evening. I'm Oheneba said, enjoy the program live from Takoradi. Yes, JM, I agree, JM did so. Okay. Father Nebra, we don't like a camera, also, and Chamako Jimuna. I think you share the issue of Airbus scandal. Is it the mathematics or trying me out to a baby? A to a baby, na one girl, and I say, what to talk. Yes, I said John Dramani Mahama. I no crano, who's on a government official one. I'm just in free. Patrick, this issue, I say, yes, I say, too furious. More using the word stupidity. Why is it doing that?
We are so the Ukoria DNA. Hey, what Korea there? Hey. Kokumanu to Krampusu Akoria. Meanwhile, Kokumano now can answer no. Obian Komusu Akoria she. But Yamidu. The meaning that no dish so the Shemu Yadayon. PPA Ghana Obia was to why a contract. Ghana for not transfer of contract. So and one company and it is a open school there the contract in Bugunwa. No contract and only Madame Akoya. Hey, yapa. Me say I'm a real boy. Esere mu ho ba bi on bridge ko krom ho agufom ana asam na be dru aban ani asa to say krom ho fon wuntimi nkoma enti e kwa bridge no mo wani mu ye enti atrosu emergency aya to say contract no the ma contract bi no wuntimi mu go on site by 2 weeks time and farmer no papa you the contract no to the table so start 4 months no obi anto e na da oda krom ho na ka so naja such a person wicked person how before to say no what this for some way up to contract. Now you see 1 year near Yamano, he was on suspension or this salary or the Alankusamuti BBM 1 year. Obi this out for you, but the woman of 1 year. After also able to let's share this for ever Gremantino. Why I said that the report number after 1 year, oh man, after salary after Alankusamadi, Obi what the Ghana will say after contract. After 7 back, I'm not a bear, a caca to go, 30 Manasseh how to flee this country. Under President Kufuor, we are journalists, not kind of cry. Your life is in danger. And I don't want to see a poor Ameswali to Ekunu. Manasseh, yes, investigation. He has to flee from this country. Oh, threaten a company. And then, what does the mother Casa Samuel Kayan and I am playing to my family? Obi for this body when I report to bar was the Airbus. Now, what is the Airbus? Tell the Quacoto Lupli. Me person important to another podcast. Tell the Quacoto Lupli. Lupli na Quacoton. Company na Quacoton want to say, Obi or Yamedo man on the Geneva. Now, let's say agent said the whole part behind there, not agency vehicle. And the agent now on any one agreement to say, sir, put me woman I'm tired here now. Number was kind of 6%. And any part of any agent can come as a moon. And the agent never believe the idea. And I can't afford then finish for the only for Canadian agent 6%. Fast forward about 2-3 years later, and our management signed our company new. Open American Carter who said, according to international laws, we pay agent. What trace command should be 5%. 26% now, German 1% to buy then. Apple soon to offer Airbus for Uncle Chase up on Uncle. Me, I thought any free one. That's can I man minimum hoshi. You can Ghana cap placing, Ghana jack up placing. The deal was between Airbus and his agent on one buy. It is a Ghana government. What document Ben tell me to do him? Because US the UK for us almost this issue is about Airbus and his agent. And agent look up for Nipana no more in charge of the company. No, only I saw him call me the Papuano Panemra. No matter 1% what was supposed to be 5% maximum internationally. That transaction. Countries are Uganda when the countries are no in Ghana's case, Ghana lose to $1 single. How I have do because any trace come agents, I saw Papa Pedine. Now what was who agent? When the Pelania Diana no see me now I do 200 Ghana cities. No tell 200 Ghana cities, no but you now here say 200 cities are my agency there. No what in do. Na me say for Joe 100 Ghana cities. That's them say o can if you run obamu say. When I want to wait at the time say scan what my agent no. The favor now no what there. Because of that insulting no. Mo betuma inflate figure no. Issue never end. Until I meet what I tell my child. Country be any issue. Ghana issue no was not the cost of the plane. Ghana issue no. Where any born there no one percentage. Your issue ni say agent no be commission another. Commission ya. Airbus for the chairman or agent and what they buy was more than 5%. They do need that was the report. You can go and read. Who read it? Go and read online or maybe you can go and read. And it is a bit 6% instead of 5%. Then in Ghana now no auto no play no one here the same price. The beer boy in there. Of course, you can't go Ghana because Ghana and the transactional are there now. No, why investigation? What's that here? Now I got a lesson, you know. Okay, behind it, but me say people are saying here by a yet timing. Only every before the animal in a bar because some do election. And only him say, say election, only to be say Kima, and you better bet them. A better, oh, Ghana. Tough mouth bet them. I election we, you knew ya. Can over after 3 years to bet them. That's why they say, I can't even do two or Gabby or Twitter. Oh, you know, at the Padu. Oh, scared Jama. So scared Jama. And to say, I a home cleanness as no more, you know. Oh, I can say clean no more. No one can say there's some cocoa. First, it's not on, like I say, yeah, click into it. Oh, yes, oh, we are for court to can say, yes, oh, we're going for Madame Rishi on the port. Say, yeah, what mean to so, more so who do less, you know. It's almost as a clean no. So, but who clean you, or who to chill, or who people, you have one bedroom, one bedroom. The fact is that, obey the bonnet now, not the one and in the case, okay, in a whole issue, something about your mom. Right. Whoever that just can have your right. Do you want to name? Because issue Tina Adana now on fan woman, maybe a little. What they also name is a some of Bisa Minia Tua or the one why we flat na sanity. It would be a bonnet a good fuma, a bottle mousa, a sounds of Yasapa, Sasabone.
maybe na tun sisi am asama matami di bae no ni mo de matami di dwuma so di no so ko di dada what I say Japan deal issue aba already so na wo sa Airbus issues so ho no and we cut those report ni akabo no de aba what I say and Japan deal so no wan kan mu ba bia say sikaje bi akoso the most important thing I think say
susceptible to corruption, nepotism, favoritism.
Susceptible. It means secretary was one. I get it. But I say young Franco Parliament because didn't pass it through Parliament. Pass it through Parliament as an about. No, say Franco Parliament bill. Now you know don't mean federal we should celebrate in meeting about.
President is also the Parliament.
Recommendations
back to the Parliament. President.
Okay. About it too. Say a report of Biaba.
Yeah.
And they share the required thing. I was say pass it through due process and so on.
Yeah.
Very good. And we also say government official one issue be by Airbus scandal. You show money because because no be say government official one dey who take some no obobon na person ba ya John Dramani Mahama but now come with me NCP en ka say onwa but ono so na ye special prosecutor we should move away ni na ko say John Dramani Mahama any special government official one na UK report no as you don't buy e kan no wase am boys on kai very good
na won twa me ya to obana wi
se ba say no e hono mo no e na also oyisu only use in fact common sense and kasa because Ghana has a say European countries they say up map you watch the John Dramani Mahama see you see the MD supporters they don't know please so I said when they kaka so show me I don't know what is car
wow look at this
what I said you to my moon you say you pay the dada when they go now omuko top play bi na oti bi de ko bi so bi nhwemu because I say play now so no John Dramani Mahama e na dey nimu na now on say bi say sikedi bed akoso wanti wuti e na when the report am say sikam die bi akoso sa e ba so mkoto oye no e John Dramani Mahama onu so ni na krofo bi na aka bo mama ko o ma say bu o man Ghana na de so ye ni Ghana no so onu koto plane e na o ma ti bi plane bi ato so to I say ya sha dey bi akwasi sɛ Mike mo fi na ono ye ɛdan ya modemon rent aso rent so ye no wu ni sika ho no oye no wu sika no ɛna wo so pe sika bi atu botomti wo ko wu agent na ko wu no wo say ɛdan ne ye ɛdan month ye 500 Ghana na mum sɛ me bana sɛ obisa wa ka sɛ ye 700 Ghana to say please
I don't know to put on
government of Salano John Dramani Mahama I see now training in I know more about it that sikana ko di please stay obwa malati sikana ko di agent no fa chi a ko scam salati akwa se wo won
if you are 1,000 Ghana if you are 1,000 Ghana
very good so I say simple akwa se na wako keta na okokoto for
investigations na ma tell me the graphic or babe to happy say the issue of Japan royalties now this sensitive issue I'm attempting to do with a better one. Are you okay? Happy with that?
Oh, and I make us say me ankasa no mama tell me the how one person we juma no I think say I say to me personally no yeah I say I so nya mama because of so many issues no maybe also na ko 200 more
okay
I say no na say afford short kakra but Ghana say obi anim say e ya go government official one na obi anim pako e ya go papa no di papa no obi azu pako so I say sana akoya ma afi na masamu bi dia ba say sa government official one na ko hu Ghana say no e dey no ti say no that me dey say
any one one
ala ati me dey no dey do the for food na no fe
o ti e na case ni si wala ba
so be say
wala ba no o ko le mo di so na so so ko
na sa nya me a wa dey mbuzo mbuzo nya me a
o to la o ti ba ba no
ala so mu na e na so mu na no
na ati mo so ko ala ba ho na
8461 0202 6684 62. I say good evening, Samai. Please, I'm Olivia from Ahinsai. The NDC guy was saying Dumuso issue started from Kufuor's time till Mahama's time. But all we know is Nana Addo and his government tried their best to limit Dumuso for 4 years now, and we do appreciate them. Okay, for more to do more. Hi, I'm Freeman. I think NDC man Bafo to a got point. Everything he says is on point. JM to us so. Okay, and also the Manatum, which we are free. Now I say to me, Abba. We don't need Dumuso Biao. Mahama did nothing for us. Okay, for more to do more. And also the Abba and no. Okay, my main fault, of course. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Sir Mike.
Yes,
yeah, Sir Mike, Congress, Congress, yeah, Sir Mike, my name was Emilia Akunya Kasseldam, and let me tell you about Patrick, let me tell you regular secretary Juanito, let me tell evangelist and Chelsea Consul, let me tell you Chelsea, I feel you never yet talk about the family evangelist, no cooking for support family in Chelsea. Now, Sir Mike, what can I say to you? I'm saying that I need to water. Before one can tell a boss on my political father, one thing to myself. But I need to write one case out of my hand and me by the future from. Now, my political father got to send up for any content. I said, I'm not going to Ghana sponsor or no, a new institution. My house, I can't was a den on your part to like him. No question about my political father, I will do what I like him. No, you know, we see what I do for chance and then one year to come. Mahama, we can get ya. Mahama, you go. Mahama, you over to when I saw the level from competent to follow every kind of rider control, it's a Ghana from your trouble. I swear about it.
Congress, yeah, that's it. Emilia Aswasi. So, is this the government that spoke so much about corruption when they were in opposition? Oh, Nana Addo and his administration, I'm disappointed. Sankofa JM, greetings to all social democrats. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Alfred Free.
The entry, the cafe free attack of
entry.
No, after because you're baby can now know what you're doing in a job. Now, you say I didn't cook or bamboo and mamma do my food in a. After because you're not doing something in here, NDC for what they are bound to be more of what they are told. Because these are the Ghana have collaborated. Young German, NDC, you know, to because it's a game where doing so, it's in the on count what the number and I have 2017. Yeah, now, yeah, I was told Kausa manifesto in Ukraine. Omuka so much of the so keke on one thing and could be and come on faso. If you do so there, I am a man ready. What's over now again or call.
Yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, Alfred.
Yeah, but you
okay, Manoso Akade into you.
Yeah, the chairman like me Medina. You can do about yes, and this is manifesting free primary the break and now the out from the channel to us. You say on the back 2009, not the body, we can like a back. On by one to young cross and the neighbor. Enjoy a free primary can be possible. The idea all can. I'm not going to follow which we are from Bamaro.
Okay.
If you say Mahama also that number two now that
I think it's a discussion in an Omemo. Wow, there was infinite. Good evening.
We are good evening, sir.
We didn't have free for anybody. Okay, Mr. Jomo, it's you.
No. The program number is Mr. Papa or because let me take out your pound. My brother, That is one of the issues I have in Nigeria. So, one of the things. Second thing is, education. And system military,
okay. Hello. Hello, good evening. Good evening, free. Okay. I'm saying so DJ Omale and YOC go so fellow Ghanaians vote for Ronaldo to enjoy free water, free senior high school, free electricity. JDM can never come again because if you vote for him, he will bring back Dumso. Okay, good evening. Okay, you have a friend for no is Yamano. I break that young fancy Yami Aduma Ochina. You to us. Patrick. Yeah, sorry. But I promise you, must have next week. Why? No more time. No. Yeah. Imperial. Nurse in the teacher in the count. Oh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now also to half. Okay. 25 there. Okay. That's okay. That's right. Good. Okay. Yes, Mike.
It's all about what's that? What's that? That's more. What's that? And yeah, NDC for na John Man.
Manen kan emra na so. Yamra na so.
Me magana from one John Man Mama. Afro beti kana mama buru.
Wa no. Class. Ya ta mo cha. Esi na wan. I want to go to check. Ya ka cha school for the say. Ya ka school for. O ko special institution na. Sa loan now first. Now as a wo ko pe garanta now for side. Yes, wa LPP aban baye e be restore teacher to your allowance e be restore nursing to your allowance e be free senior high school the whole of the settle na one who try to mo afa mo be ka tell say mo ba mbetu ya ka mo mo so ya ka mo mo so mo officer obobe team member and Patrick Atua so regional communication team member for the NDC Ochi Nozo production manager DOP Kobe Frank MCR Augustina VTR Loretta producer Bernard Ade director so Samuel Kwabena Dako mimidi at Michael Nana Aduma kunyami aduma china 4 p.m. to 6 yishia na enyi no man ho no man no intipo shane so se odo ho to nyami so yi a ade nyina be di aboa na awie oyi twede amponka ho na onhye wo ma yakra.
Where the party day today, darling. Hey mama, hey I ever say.
Okay, everybody, I say TIME, Time Herbal, and also season 2 of this year, no. Assign a baby, put your band.